Starting a new motor carrier business is like embarking on a thrilling journey, but it comes with its share of responsibilities. One of the big ones is the new entrant safety audit. Think of it as your company's first health checkup, courtesy of the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA. It's all about making sure you're on the right path with safety protocols and regulations. Timing is everything here. The FMCSA wants this audit done within your first year of operation. This time frame helps you get settled in while ensuring safety standards are up to par. Miss that window and you could face some problems. So it's best to be ready. Let's dive into what you should focus on for the audit. First, documentation and records are crucial. We're talking driver logs, maintenance reports, accident registers, the works. Keeping everything organized is key. Make sure your drivers are qualified, your vehicles are in tip-top shape, and your operational procedures are spot on. Avoid critical violations like using unqualified drivers or lacking proper insurance. These are big no-nos and can lead to audit failure. Preparing for the audit might feel daunting, but breaking it down helps. Follow safety regulations closely and keep those records spotless. You want everything easy to find and up to date. Even better, Moving Authority can help you prepare, offering tools and guidance to make the process smoother. Now, if things don't go as planned and you fail the audit, it's not the end of the world, but swift action is necessary. You'll need to submit a corrective action plan outlining how you'll fix any issues. Ignoring it could mean losing your operating authority, so addressing shortcomings is crucial. Passing the audit is a major win. It means you're compliant and can keep trucking along seamlessly. It also boosts your safety rating, which is great for attracting clients and partners. Keep up with training, maintenance, and internal audits to maintain that standard. Understanding the regulatory framework is vital for compliance. Regulations, like those found in 49 CFR Part 385, Subpart D, outline safety rules concerning driver qualifications and vehicle maintenance. Staying informed about any changes is crucial to avoid penalties and ensure smooth operations. Remember, there's a wealth of resources out there, training programs, workshops, online tools to guide you through this process. And when you need personalized help, Moving Authority is just a click or call away. So visit movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430 for expert assistance. This video is brought to you by movingauthority.com, your go-to partner for navigating the new entrant safety audit and ensuring your trucking business hits the road safely and smoothly.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.